Hi, this is Ajay Jangid in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. In this video, we will solve two type of questions. The first question is root 3 minus 2 root 2 and the second question is root 53 minus 10 root 6. These both questions are nested radical problems. We can find the value of these type of question in two ways. The first one will be in the decimal, in which, like if we took the first question, firstly we have to find the value of this root 2 in decimals, then multiply it with this 2 and minus this with this 3, and then find the root value of all this. This is very lengthy process to solve this question. So how to solve it? So the second option is not finding the value in decimals but only simplify the question. So this root on the whole question disappears. But if you want to calculate the value in decimals, you can do that also. It totally depends upon you and depend upon the question. So let's take this question and see how to solve it. The question is root 3 minus 2 root 2. So firstly, let's split this 3 in 2 plus 1. I will tell you later why I split this 3 in 2 plus 1, but now rearrange plus 1 and send it to the back. And in this middle term, if you write 2 root 2 or multiply by 1, it's the same thing. It doesn't change the value of it. And now, look at this carefully. And in the middle term, we have 2 root 2 multiplied by 1. And on the left side, we have 2. And on the right side, we have 1. And now, what if we convert this in this form? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we will have a chance to convert all this in the form of a minus b the whole square. So let's write this 2 as square of root 2. And in the right, if you write 1 or the square of 1, is the same thing. So the form you are seeing here is something like a square minus 2ab plus b square. And how to write this formula completely? This is the formula of a minus b the whole square. So the left side of this formula is the same as this portion. Then make the right side also same as the formula, which is root 2 minus 1 the whole square under the root. So this is the main thing we want here. So let's wipe out the rest part. And you know very well, there is an under root and a whole bracket in square which cancel out in each other like this. So we got root 2 minus 1. Our question was root 3 minus 2 root 2. And we finally found the value of it, which is root 2 minus 1. And as I told you, if you want to calculate the value in decimals, then you know the value of root 2 is 1.4142 ... minus 1, which is equals to 0.4142 ... So this is our answer if we want to calculate in decimals. Otherwise, this is our answer. There is another question we have in this video with big digit numbers, which will be solved by different method and tricks. But before that, if any of you who wants to write down the question can write down by pausing the video. Let's move to our second question. So this is our question and we finally placed it here. The first question was easy because the number was small, but now there are big numbers like 53, 10, root 6. And now if we split this 53, we don't know that how to do it exactly. And for that, factor this side which contains radical sign. So firstly, we have to factor this 10, which is 2 and 5. And then factor this root 6, which is root 2 and root 3. Firstly, let's keep this 2 same and make 2 pairs from this remaining part in such a way that the sum of the square of this both pairs should be is equals to 53. This is the main process of this question. By this, you can solve any of these type of questions. If the sum comes same as a 53, then it's okay. Otherwise, we have to change the pairs and try again. But now, I have already made the pairs for you, which is 5 root 2 and root 3. So this is the first pair and this is the second pair. So as I told you, if I do the square of both these pairs, so the square of 5 root 2 is 50 and the square of root 3 is 3. And if we sum these numbers, then practically we got our 53. So the pairs we chosen are right. Okay, so we split 53 in 2 pieces, 50 and 3. And just rearrange these numbers. So look carefully. This 50 is equals to square of 5 root 2. So here it is. And this 3 is the same as square of root 3. So the form we have is something like this. A square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b the whole square. So we have this portion same as the left side of this formula. So let's just make the right side also in the form of formula like this, which is 5 root 2 minus root 3 the whole square under the root. And now just have this part only and wipe out the rest. And now look at this carefully. There's a radical sign and a square under the radical. And you know that this radical will cancel out with this square. Just like this. So what we have now is 5 root 2 minus root 3. And our question was root 53 minus tan root 6. And the answer is 5 root 2 minus root 3. And for the further step, if you want to calculate the value in decimals, then multiply the 5 by the value of root 2 and minus it from the value of root 3. And the final calculation will be your answer. If any of you who wants to write down the question can write down by pausing the video. So my dear friends, if you like my videos, then you have to do one thing, which is subscribe my channel, share the videos and press the bell icon for such more videos. Thanks for watching.